Hi, this is Justin Bevins again, and we're on video number 6 in our home selling series where I walk you through what to expect if you're thinking of selling a home in California or Nevada. And in this video we're going to talk about what to expect with your property showings. So once you've signed your listing agreement with your agent and your home goes live, with any luck the showing requests will soon follow. So keep a few things in mind when it comes to those showings. First, always keep your home show ready. Once you get it all polished up, it really takes small actions to keep it looking that way, like just putting the dishes in the dishwasher after every use instead of putting them in the sink, or making the bed in the morning. Little things like that. Remember that people get interested on your home on the internet, but they fall in love with it when they see it in person. So make sure the curb appeal is as good as it can get and the house looks and smells clean. Cleaner homes sell faster and for more money. And if for some reason your home doesn't sell in the first few weeks, stay vigilant about keeping it show ready. I know it can be a lot of work, but you never know when you might get that call out of the blue to see your home. Be prepared for showings to ebb and flow. Some weeks it might seem really busy with lots of interest, and the next week it could be slow with very few appointments. That's just the nature of real estate. And when it comes to actual showings, try not to be home. It's always better if you let the buyer's agent and the buyers walk the home alone or on a guided tour with your agent. Sellers at home during a showing make buyers nervous, and they tend to rush through instead of really taking the time to soak in all your home has to offer. You don't want a potential buyer to be rushed through your home. Showings can happen at inopportune times, but try to be as accommodating as possible. You don't want to miss a good buyer because you were inconvenienced and had to deny a showing. That buyer is certainly out looking at other homes at the same time, and it could mean they buy one of those instead of yours if they never get in to see it. Be prepared for agents and their buyers to sometimes be early or late to their showings. They might have several homes on the route that day, and sometimes traffic or other factors are out of their control. Hopefully they'll be courteous and text or call you if they're running excessively late or early. Sometimes agents will pull up to your home and their clients will take a look at the outside and decide it's not for them and they don't want to see it. It's frustrating because you prepared and left the house and felt like it was a waste of your time. But don't get too mad if you get that cancellation calls. It just happens, and it's just part of the process sometimes. And don't be offended by showing feedback or comments by the buyer or their agents. Everyone is different. They may not feel the same about your home as you do. If the criticism is constructive and honest, consider it and discuss responding or making changes as necessary with your agent. And all this applies to open houses as well. If you and your agent have decided that open houses are a good strategy to use in your market, make sure your house looks great and plan to not be home during the open house. Your agent will be able to give you a report afterwards on activity and comments or interest in your home. So that's it for showings. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.